Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top dash cams, the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the BOOGIIO Dash Cam Front.
Get ready for some serious camera action. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, the price. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a budget-friendly $25, making it an excellent choice for those looking for affordability without compromising quality.
But wait, the BOOGIIO Dash Cam Front is priced at $89.
It's a bit more expensive, but does it justify the price?
Let's find out.
Now let's talk about power. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit connects directly to your vehicle's battery, providing continuous power to your dash cam. It even has a low-voltage protection system, so you don't have to worry about draining your battery. But the BOOGIIO Dash Cam Front also offers constant power and comes with a 32 GB SD card for hassle-free recording. It's a tough call.
It's time to focus on what matters most, the video quality.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit boasts compatibility with multiple Vantrue dash cams, ensuring crisp and clear footage.
However, the BOOGIIO Dash Cam Front takes things up a notch with its 1080p Full HD lens and 170 degrees wide-angle view.
It's like having a personal movie director in your car.
When it comes to recording at night, you want a dash cam that can handle the darkness.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit does a decent job, but the BOOGIIO Dash Cam Front is a true star. With its f1.8 large aperture and WDR technology, it captures stunning night shots without the need for extra lighting.
Say goodbye to blurry footage. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra features that make a dash cam stand out.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers 24/7 parking surveillance and an ACT mode that automatically turns on and off with your ignition.
On the other hand, the BOOGIIO Dash Cam Front comes packed with a G sensor for collision evidence, loop recording, motion detection, and even date and license plate stamps.
It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your car. Both the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the BOOGIIO Dash Cam Front have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're on a tight budget, the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is a solid choice.
But if you're looking for top-notch video quality and a range of advanced features, the BOOGIIO Dash Cam Front might be worth the investment.
Remember, Buy Smart is here to help you make the best decision for your needs.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.